Deals, we have unit number 640703, which is a 2007 Kenworth W900 mixer truck. It's got a drop axle. It's also got a strong arm in the back. All these trucks were rebuilt by a manufacturer who reconditioned the drums on these units. Do have receipts for all that. Heavy duty truck, got the heavy duty front end on it. Nice clean little looking tires and wheels on it. No leaks in the hubs. Probably say they're about 85-90% on the tread on these fronts. Again, drop axle in the rear and the rear here. Good tread here on these rear drivers on the driver's side, probably about 90%. These back here probably right at about 60-70%, maybe 80. These are virgin tires. Let's see, probably another 11 cubic yard. Tag doesn't tell me, but I'm almost positive this one's probably an 11 cubic yard on it. Does have work lights in the rear. Not sure if they're operational or not. This back here does work. Turning up the throttle here. You can see the bed is working as it should. Again, strong arm in the rear. Good rear tread on the tires. Got about a 90%, 100% here on this rear. And this is a front steer tire that was put here on this this rear arm, which is fine, totally legal to do. As you can see, the throttle works just fine. The chute up and down works as it should. And the chute lock. Let's go ahead and discharge this drum instead of charge it. There you go. As you can see, it's working as it should. Okay. Now we put the drum stop on it and start. So all this mechanism here is working as it should. Uh-oh. It's filling out some water here. Probably should keep that in there. Go ahead and run that back in there. Go ahead and charge that. You don't know what kind of materials they put in there. Could be acid to keep the drum from hardening up. It could just be water, not sure. But you don't want to let it out here on the ground. Anyhow, clean little unit. Go here on this driver's side. Virgin tires again, probably about 90% tread on those. And probably 80% here. Rear drop is just clean. The front lights are in good shape. Looks like blow by, but this is a Cummins motor and they all seem to have a little bit, but it's not blowing it off. You guys probably have a slight little leak there in the rear. Fan is ticking on as it should. New Sandon compressor for the AC. AC does blow ice cold. Got an ISM Cummins in it, an ISM 350 Cummins. runs and works as it should. We got manual windows, power door locks on this particular truck. We got 23,234.2 hours, and we're running about 222,019 miles. That trip monitor there is 2,500, but this is a 222,000 mile truck. Everything works as it should. The drums, the chute, everything works here as well. Radio works as it should. Okay. Horn works. Secondary horn works, which is required. Again, Allison automatic transmission. One little rip here on the seat to be sewed together. Show a 2007 model. 66,000 GVW and 20,000 front. W900 ISM, which would be the ISM Cummins on it. This unit is available through Equipment Deals, located here in Roanoke, Texas. We have 9 of these identical units, all varying from 2004 to 2009. This unit's ready to go. It's got pretty low miles at 222,000 with 22,000 hours. If you're interested in this unit, please give us a call at 972-666-9501 or 1-855-EQ Deals. We will have an operation video on this truck as well.